Looking to turn website visitors into contacts? When you add an inline form to your website, you can gain new signups in the place they visit you most. Once you install the code, any updates you need to make to the form in the future can be made right in your Constant Contact account. Let's take a look at how you can embed your form. Click Sign Up Forms and locate your form. There are two types of code you'll need to install on your site: the inline code and the universal code. The inline code is what determines where on your website the form will display, for example, on the home page or in a sidebar. The universal code is what connects your form to Constant Contact. First, click the three dots and select Inline Code. Once you've copied the code, it's time to add it to your website. Every website is a little different, but if you have a web designer, you can ask them to install the code for you. However, if you're doing it yourself, here's an example of how to install the code types on Weebly. For steps on your specific website builder, check out our install guide. Once you've installed the inline code, go back to the Sign Up Forms page on Constant Contact and click Universal Code. Copy the code and return to your website once more. Paste the universal code into the footer of your site. With both code types added to your website, it's a good idea to test your form to ensure it's working properly. And that's how you can easily embed an inline sign-up form on your website to help you turn website visitors into contacts.